How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another Streamlabs tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use images. So in your scene, under sources, click the plus and we're going to go to image. As you can see, it supports multiple formats like PNG, JPEG, etc. So I'm going to be showing you a JPEG, which is very similar to when you're using stuff for like your overlays, your webcam box, and just regular static images. And then for stuff like a GIF, I'm going to be showing you how to add that in as well. So we're going to go ahead and just leave that as it is. We're going to browse, and I'm just going to grab this random one here. So now we got that. We're just going to set that right there. Actually, let's set it over here. And I'm going to go ahead and bring in another one. So we're going to go back to image, add source, and as you can see, we can use this existing image multiple times on the same scene or on a different scene, or you can create a new source. So we're going to create a new source, add source, and I'm going to bring in a GIF. And what better way than bringing in another Halo-inspired one? So as you can see, it's very easy to bring them in, and it has a layering system. So if you wanted to have this one on top of this one, then you just left click, drag down, you'll see that green line, and let go, and now this one is on top of that one. So if you were to have another scene and you just wanted to go back to images, now you have these two to choose from. So let's say you just want to have this one there. So you hit add source, and then you can fill that entire screen with that one. And then if you go back to that, now you got both of them. And that is really how images work. They're super simple to do. If you really want to get into some of the more advanced stuff, you can add in filters like color correction and so on and so forth. You know, just by right-clicking, go to filters, edit filters, add filters. And there's these lists of things here that you can kind of mess with, like sharpening if it seems a little too dull. You could do color correction if you feel that it's not saturated enough, and you can kind of mess with that stuff. I'm not going to go into those on this video, but I will eventually touch on those later on. But yeah, that is pretty much how you set up images. It's very easy to do, but if I missed anything, let's talk about it in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Take a look at these videos here. And if you want to learn more about streaming or content creation, take a look at the channel, as I have many more tutorials on the channel as well. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.